Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create this effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. Follow my steps accurately and watch the tutorial until the end to get the perfect results. Please subscribe our channel and join our family for more useful videos. It will be a great motivation for me to upload more exciting videos on a regular basis. And there you have it, a cool effect in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.